Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add text on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to add descriptions or just simple text. So, let's get started by adding our video on CapCut. Once you've done that, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, there's a button that says text. Tap on that, and here you can tap on add text. So just type whatever you want, and I'm gonna bring it to the middle. And as you can see, there's at the bottom middle of the screen, it says style. So basically you can choose whatever color, and the font is right here. There are tons of fonts and also for other languages, but here is the easy way. And you can also change the size, the stroke, which is the outside, the glow, that's pretty self-explanatory, and much more. So you can go on ahead and explore this yourself because there are lots of options, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple. If you think if you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.